Hello guys, welcome back in your computer class, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about frames. Then what is the use of frame tag and what is the use of frame set tag. So guys, firstly we are going to discuss about the frame. What is a frame? Frame tag is used to divide our web browser into two halves or more than the two halves. Means with the help of frame tag we can divide our web browser window into the sections or subsections, right? So let us take an example. For this we just create an HTML document, and here in the notepad we just write here coding. So firstly save it with the HTML file, then we just click it on here as save as, then desktop frame.html, right, frame.html, and save it. So have a look, we just minimize it, and now guys, this is my title, Tech Computer Education. But we didn't write anything in the body section, so our body part is blank, right? So this body section is divided into the two sections or more than two sections with the help of frame tag, but for the frame tag we just omit body tag. Okay, just close it because this is our simple notepad file, and for the Excel file we just click here and open with the notepad. And for the use of frame set tag we just omit the body section, delete it, and then we use frame set. And if we want to divide it into two rows, means if we want to divide our web browser page according to the rows, then we just use here ROWS rows equal to, we just give values in a percentage in the double quotes, then 50%, comma 50%, and after that we just close our frame set tag. Right, and we just put a slash sign, then save it. Now guys, here you see that there is no change in our page because we didn't create here any frame till now. Now for creating frames we just write down frame here and another frame, and this is our empty tag, so there is no need to put a closing tag of frame tag. Okay guys, now here we divide our web page into two equal halves, so we just create two frames here only, right? So just save it and come to our web browser and just reload it. Now guys, you can see that our web page is divided into two equal halves. So guys, if we want to create three parts, then we just 40%, 40% or 20%. Just remember that always sum will be 100%. Then we just create one more frame over here for the third one, then frame. Now save it. Now guys, reload it. Now guys, here you can see our web page is divided into three sections. Well, we also divide it according to column wise. We just write down here calls, calls. Just remember these attributes always, and just reload it. Now guys, you can see now we can show three different things over here or as a different web pages over here. So let us check how can we do that. For this we just create our three web pages, right? So just minimize it and open again notepad. Okay, now here with the help of this is our predefined default structure, and we just change the title over here, Tech Computer. That's enough. And in the body section we just write down in the heading tag, that's H1 frame 1 and H1 close, and just save it as at the desktop, and here we write frame1.html, right? And we just use as a frame 2 also frame 2 and its name as tag, right? Its name is only tag. Then with the help of save as option, we just save as and write its name as html2.html, means frame2.html. Then location same desktop, then save it, right? Now guys, here you see we have frame 1 that and another one is frame 2. Now how can we put into our first file, that is in the frame? So we just open it with the notepad, and in the notepad section we just use here in the frame src, means source equal double quotes, then frame1.html, and in the second one we just write frame 2, copy, then here we write frame 2, right? Now for the third one we can also create our third page for the frame 3, copy, and now guys, first we create our third web page. After we see the output, and just save it and minimize, just open it. This is my default file where we can design our structure. Now here we write a title, that's a frame 3, and in the body section we also write in the heading tag h1, that's a frame 3, and close it, h1, then save as. Now save as, we just write here name frame3.html at the desktop location and save it. Now just minimize it and just go to a web browser, and in the Tech Computer Education title, then we just see, now you can see that we access 3 pages on a single web page, right? Means this is our frame 1, this is our frame 2, and this is our frame 3. Well guys, this is the use of frame tag. If still you have any problem, then write down in the comment section, and further in the next video we will discuss about its attribute and about the frame set attributes. Well guys, in this lecture, that's enough in this lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.